Hello everyone, welcome to Larry's math class. Today we are going to learn about a
What kind of problem?
AMC problem.
AMC problem. Okay.
Mrs. Sanders has 3 grandchildren who call her regularly. One calls her every 3 days, one calls her every 4 days, and one calls her every 5 days. All 3 called her on December 31, 2016. On how many days during the next year did she not receive calls from any of her grandchildren?
Confused. Do you understand?
So, we know the problem is asking us to find out how many days did Mrs. Sanders not receive calls from any of her grandchildren.
In which year?
In 2017.
Okay. So, how do we calculate?
So since there are all 3 called her on December 31st on 2016, then that means it starts like a new cycle.
Okay, on the day 1. New cycle
So
on
first
day
let's
1.
write down 4 days, 3 days, 4 days, and 5 days.
Okay.
And to try and find out, first we need to know how many days in a year in 2017.
That's right.
We know that it is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4, so it will have 365 days. So since this grandchildren calls every 3 days, we know to find out how many days this person called, then we need to use 365 divided by 3. So 121. And then for every 4 days, it's the same thing. We just need to divide. $91. And for every 5 days, the same thing. $73.
Okay.
So these are the number of days they called. If we have these, we just need to add them together and use the total number of days to minus them, right? But
yes, why not? Because,
No,
because
because
they called these many days. When we add them up and then deduct them from 365, then we get the days nobody called. It's very easy.
No, because
Why?
sometimes they might call on the same day.
Oh, so we overcount. We
Yeah.
double count or triple count maybe.
So in this
How do
case, every 3 days and every 4 days, if how many days they call together, then it would be the least common multiple of them, which is 20, and still the same
20
thing.
of which? 3 and 4?
12.
Okay, 12.
So
So every 12 days,
Every 12 days, how many did
they were
call?
called together.
Yeah.
Every 12 days, they were called together. Okay.
So it would be 365.
So that's like children 1 and 2, they were called together.
Yeah.
On every 12 days. Yeah, that makes sense.
That would be 30. 30 days they call together. And we just need to calculate the same thing for each one.
For each what? Each pair?
Grandchildren. Each pair, yeah. Each pair.
So what are you trying to do? Find out
find
The
out
days
the days
two
that
grandchildren
called together.
Okay.
So 4 and 5. That will be 20. So 365 divided by 20. 18. Now we have how many days each pair of grandchildren called together. So now we only have one more situation. One day that they call all together.
What are those days?
So then the least common multiple would be 3 times 4 times 5.
Which is?
Which is... So
Now we have these.
6 days in this year, they all call together. So now we have all these numbers. Let's draw a diagram.
Okay.
3 small ones.
Why did you draw this? Interesting.
This is 365
Oh,
days.
that's the total.
And this is 121 days. 91 days and 73 days. Now these are the combinations we can use now. 121 and 91. This is 3 and 4. So that would be 40. This. So 6. When they all call,
Six
6 days,
is
they
what?
all call together.
Okay, because they all overlap.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's 30 days as we calculated before. But 30 is overlapping with the 6. So it would become 24. 30 minus 6. And then 73 and 121, that is 24. And 24 minus 6, we know is 18. Then here is 91 and 73, which is 12.
Why it's
Because
12?
there are 18 days they call together, and that minus 6 is 12.
Okay.
Now we have these numbers. We just need to calculate this and use 365 minus that. To make this easier, we don't want to just calculate all the regions. We can just do this. 121 is one big circle, and we calculate this part. So let's first write down the equation. So 365 minus 121, but we don't minus 91 because it is the whole circle. These two are already calculated, so it would be 91 minus 30. And this region we can also calculate because it's not included in
the first one. Okay.
And then minus 91 minus 30, which is 61. And then minus 73 minus all these regions.
Can you name it? Because when
So
you point, I don't know.
12, 18, and 6.
Okay.
When we add that together, it is 36. So 73 minus 36. So we just need to calculate this. This is 365 minus 37. So this we can calculate.
Plus 6? Where did the 6 come from? Okay, now I got it.
So we can calculate into 182 plus 37. And that equals 219 minus 219, which equals 146.
Okay.
So 146 is the number of days in 2017 that Mrs. Sanders didn't receive any phone calls from her grandchildren.
Okay, can you tell us on your diagram which part is this 146? Can you?
This is 146.
Can you like show us which part? Oh, the outside of those three
Including
overlapping
these
small
overlapping
circles.
Yeah.
Ah, that's very clear. Okay, that's great. It's very complex. Is there any
Yeah.
easier way to understand this? Or maybe
Not
straightforward
really.
way?
There are one straightforward way, just counting the patterns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the first
Can you
day,
show us the first part of it? And maybe it's very time consuming, but at least we know
very
there's another
time
way.
consuming. These are days.
Every 5 days
And-
from the January 1st.
Yeah. 3, 4. Wait,
This,
every 3 days.
so the
Every
third
f-
one. The third one, you can tick it, right?
Yeah. Every 3 days. Every 4 days and every 5 days. And then every 3 days. Every 4 days. Every 5 days. And so on, until you find a pattern, which by the time you wrote 60 of these, because
Okay, 60
is
days.
the least,
The day
least count.
60. The day
Yeah.
60.
And
is when they
then
overlap.
You need to time it with count how many days there are
Not called.
called and blah blah blah.
And then times 5.
Yeah.
Because 60 days,
It
right?
cost me like 1 hour to do it.
And you did that?
Yeah.
And it's the same result?
Yeah.
Oh, I still like the straightforward way. Thank you. I'm dumb, but I can make sure it's done right. But this is great. This is great. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Make math fun or not, the choice is always yours.